Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be making some homemade chicken burgers. Now if y'all go to the store and you buy the pre-packaged ground chicken, you're going to pay out the ass. So what I'm going to do is I went to Aldi's and I bought like almost 6 pounds of boneless skinless chicken breast, and I'm going to show you how I make my chicken burgers the economical way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all 6 of my chicken breasts and I'm going to cube them like this and put them on the side. If you get pieces of fat like this, I choose to cut mine off. You could leave yours on, it's entirely up to you. Okay, so after we have all 6 of our chicken breasts cut up and cubed, we're gonna take 1 of these tablespoons of cornstarch, doesn't have to be perfect, and put that in a bowl. Then we're gonna take 1 of these tablespoons of baking soda, doesn't have to be perfect again, and put that in a bowl. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some water, and we're gonna pour some water in there to make a slurry. And we're gonna mix that up. Now I'm going to do this off camera because it's pretty hard to do it with one hand. Now once you got that all mixed up, you pour that all over your chicken, and then you're going to get some onion powder, you're going to get some garlic powder, and then you're going to get some pepper, and you're going to put in as much as you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 1 of these tablespoons of each, except for the pepper. I'm just going to go a little lighter on the pepper because I don't want mine too burny. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on. And then when I put all my seasonings in, I'm going to mix everything together and put all this in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes and leave it sit. That's how much pepper I put on, just to give you like a rough estimate. Okay, so after about 30 to 45 minutes of marinating, your chicken's done. You get your food processor and you put in as much chicken as you could fit in your processor, and then I'll show you how to pulse it. Okay, I put like that much in my processor because I don't want to put too much pressure on my processor. And then what I do is, I don't know if yours is gonna have it, but mine has high, low, off, and pulse. I just keep pulsing mine so it's not too much pressure on my processor. Okay, so when it looks like that, like ground chicken, then you're done. It's like maybe 10 pulses, maybe 15. It all depends on how powerful your processor is. Then you dump this in a bowl and you keep repeating the process until all your chicken is ground. Okay, so once your chicken is all ground up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot. Now that's not gonna make them hot, it's just gonna give it a unique flavor. And I'm also gonna add 1 cup of ranch dressing. Now you can omit the Frank's Red Hot, but I would advise you to definitely use the 1 cup of ranch because I don't want your chicken burgers to be dry. Now you make them into good sized patties and they're gonna look like they're gonna fall apart, but trust me, when you grill them or fry them, they're gonna come together and they're gonna be really delicious. After you make them into your good sized patties, you put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so till they firm up. Okay, so when your burger's firmed up, I'm just gonna fry mine on a grill pan, put some Pam on it, and fry your burgers up. And when they start getting brown, you start flipping them. I keep flipping mine so they don't get too brown on one side. When you start making them enough, you know when they're done, but if you're unsure, you get yourself a thermometer and make sure they're 165 in the middle. Okay, and when they're done, I put them on a burger with a piece of Cooper Sharp cheese and ranch dressing or your favorite topping. I hope y'all enjoy.